What's up guys, it's Winstonee back today to give you guys a brand new video. It's been a little minute since I posted, but I'm back now. I'm here to give you guys some great content. So as you can see guys, I have twists in my hair. I actually gave myself these twists, so you know, don't judge them. I guess I'm gonna be wearing this style for maybe like a week or so. If you guys wanna see the process of how I gave myself these twists, that will be in next week's video. But today I am going to be giving myself a lineup. In order to finish off the look, you know, I said I needed a lineup and I didn't want to just run to the barbershop to get a lineup. You know, I decided, well, why not just do it here myself, since I did my twists myself. Even though I never gave myself an edge up, I'll be doing it today. And that's because of this product called the CutBuddy. I'm a little nervous because I never gave myself a lineup before. I'm not a barber, I'm not a hair expert. I'm just somebody who doesn't want to keep running to the barbershop every single week. This product was sent to me by the makers of CutBuddy. It's a tool for beginners, for people who aren't really barbers. I mean, barbers can use this too, but it's a tool that guides your clippers to giving you a perfect lineup. So inside the box, it comes with the pretty much a stencil for your hairline. And it's not just for your hairline, it's also if you have a beard, you know, you can put it on your beard. So this will probably be like for right here if you have a beard, you know, just to line up your beard. And then, you know, this would be for right here for your hairline. Give yourself a hairline. And then this right here would be, well, hang on, wait, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, and then this is for like this, you know, to give yourself a hairline. So it's pretty much like a guide. It also comes with this pencil that you use to trace along the stencil to know where you're gonna cut to make your edge up perfect. Actually, two ways you can use it. You can just put the stencil on your head and trace it with the pencil and then just cut along the pencil line that you traced. Or you can just put the stencil on your head and then cut along the stencil. I'm gonna be putting this on my head and cut along the stencil because I'm pretty clumsy, and so, you know, I might just try to cut along the pencil line and then go this way. We don't need that happening today. I don't need to lose my hairline today on camera. We just gonna keep this bad boy posted up right here while I give myself an edge up. These are the clippers that I'll be using. Now I'm aware that these are not clippers to give an edge up, but these are the only clippers I have, so they're gonna have to do for today. Okay guys, so for this demonstration, I'm probably gonna be looking at my mirror a lot just so I can see, you know, what I'm doing and make sure I don't mess anything up. I've never done this before, so this is big. All right, so I'm gonna be looking at the mirror. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this because I'm gonna rely on the CutBuddy. All right, so I'm gonna clip my hair back first and foremost. Give a line up right here, right here, and right here. Right here. This is where I'm actually gonna line up. So let me brush to see. I know this is a big brush. I'm just gonna brush to see where the hairline is and where the extra hair is. All right, so this is how it looked before. Let me just show you guys. I don't know if it really shows up on camera. I don't know if you guys can see that. If you can see that I actually need a lineup, I don't know. All right, so this side, I would go right here. Let's see. So I'm actually gonna trace it. I'm gonna trace it and I'm gonna use this, but I'm gonna trace it just in case this moves, you know, while I'm cutting, and so I'll know exactly where it's supposed to be. Oh, not expected to come out like that. All right, so that's about where I think it needs to be cut. Let me put it back where it was, right there. All right, now let's try to do this. Shh. All right, don't judge me guys, don't judge me because I don't. Hang on, let me get something to like wipe the chalk off so I can see how it looks. Okay, so this side came out pretty good. Right here. See, it's a little sharp. I just gotta do right here, and right here. I'm not gonna use the pencil. I think I feel comfortable enough to just use this by itself. So yeah. So I'm just gonna try to finish off my sides. So you guys put some alcohol on your edges, you know, just to So guys, this is how my hairline turned out. I think it came out pretty sharp. I'm not gonna do the back on camera. Of course I gotta, you know, line up my back, but I'm not gonna do that on camera. I need like a couple mirrors for that. So I'm just gonna do that off camera. It was pretty good for my first time. I think overall the tool itself is actually really good. You know, it's really good for, you know, just giving yourself a lineup, you know, in between haircuts. And that's really what it's for, you know, when you're in between haircuts and you really want to get like a fresh line or to make it like just sharp again before you go back to the barbershop, then you would use this, you know. Shout out to the people over at CutBuddy for sending me this. I really appreciate it and allowing me to try it out. So if you guys want to go ahead and purchase the CutBuddy, you guys can purchase it online. Actually, you can go to thecutbuddy.com. I have the link in the description. It's $15. If you enter in the discount code Winstonee, you'll get 10% off. It's a affiliate link, so you know when you enter the discount code, you know I also get a little something, you know, when you guys purchase. So enter that Winstonee code, get 10% off, and yeah, get your CutBuddy if you really want to give yourself a lineup. Don't forget to subscribe for my channel. Click the bell to get notified on every video I make. I'll have more videos out. Like I said, next week I'll come out with my twist video, show you guys how I did the twist. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video.